welcome to Natty's Crafts. I'm Natalie. I'll be doing all the crafting. Today is going to be a different kind of craft. I'm just going to show you what I made. It's very simple. It was just gluing on a bar. This is for a recipe card for your kitchen. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I do appreciate it. This was probably the quickest video I'll ever make, so be happy for that maybe, I don't know. But anyway, go ahead and leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, and if you would subscribe. I do love all you subscribers, new, old, and in the future. I love all you subscribers. Thanks so much. Y'all have a great one.